Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question. This is the exponential equation. Exponential equation because the variable in exponent form 2 raised to power exponent 2x plus 1 and x. Therefore this is called exponential equation. So student, solve this equation. Firstly, convert this equation into quadratic equation. So firstly 2 raised to power 2x according to law of exponent, simply you separate these power with the same base. This one, okay, and student 2 raised to power 1 and this one 4, both are multiply with each other. 4 multiply with 2, it becomes 8 and 2x remains same and 9. Okay, so student, see 8 into 2 raised to power x minus 9 into 2 raised to power x. Here 2 raised to power 2x and here 2 raised to power x. So student, let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Okay, because this is a reducible quadratic equation, so convert into quadratic equation you need to dispose this one. 2 raised to power x is equal to y and take square on both sides. And then bracket, due to bracket powers multiply with each other, then it becomes 2x is equal to y square. So student, this one 2 raised to power x is equal to y and 2 raised to power 2x is equal to y square. So put into this equation. Okay, this one, this upper equation, and then this equations become 8 2 raised to power 2y 2 raised to power 2x means y square. It becomes 8y square minus 9 2 raised to power x, it becomes y and plus 1. Okay, understand this one? This equation becomes changed into simple quadratic, standard quadratic equation in variable y. Okay, so solve this by any method. You need to quadratic formula, completing square and factorization. So I need here factorization. Okay, I use factorization because this is a very simplest and time saving method. 8y square as it is and 9 is the sum of 8 and 1. Okay, this one. So taking 8y common and y minus 1, and here minus 1 take common, y minus 1. Both brackets are same, so take common y minus 1 and here 8y and minus 1 left. Okay, so this one, these are two factors, y minus 1, 8y minus 1, both product equal to 0, and my previous lecture and all previous lectures related with this questions, the link of all my previous lecture are given in description. You also can see. So students, here y minus 1 equal to 0 and either 8y minus 1 also equal to 0. Okay, so here minus 1 it becomes plus 1. And minus 1 it becomes plus 1, and 8 multiply it becomes divide. Okay, these are two results of y variable. But student, this is not the result of this question, because in the question there is a variable x. Okay, so you need to find the value of x. So y is equal to 2x. So put the value of y. In both side. Okay, so what is the y is equal to 2x. So it substitute this one, 2x is equal to 1. And student, similarly 2x is equal to 1 over 8. So 2x is equal to 1. So change this one, find the value of x. It means 2 raised to power x is equal to 1. You can write this one is equal to 2 raised to power 0, because here in left side the base is 2, so in right side you change the right side in a factor of 2. Okay, so it becomes the 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 means 1. Bases are same. And it becomes x is equal to 0. The first result is x is equal to 0. Similarly, here 2 raised to power x and 1 over 8, 1 divided by 8, factorize the 8 in the power of in the factor of 2, and it becomes 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means 8, and in denominator, due to in denominator, when you convert into in numerator, the power becomes minus. It means 2 raised to power minus 3. And bases, now bases are same. So x is equal to minus 3. Okay, bases are same, so x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. These are two solution set of this equation, this exponential equation, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. So student, the solution set is 0 and minus 3 only. Not these 1 and 1 over 8. Okay, so I hope so you understand this question. This is very important and interesting question, exponential equation. Okay, if you like this lecture, so please like it, but if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.